Hello everybody and welcome. In this video we are going to be discussing how to update n8n on Hostinger. So let's just begin. So currently, as you can see, we are on to n8n, and if I search on the app section of the n8n, I cannot see any Hostinger application integrated here, and that is why, because it is not supported yet. So for that, you're going to be needing to head over to a new tab of your choice, and once you are there, you're going to be searching their Hostinger app, basically API key. So once you're searching there for API key, you're going to be simply heading over to the very first link, and you're going to be fetching your API key. And once you do, of course, once the connection is going to be established using the API key, you are going to be having a token that you need to copy. So you can see we have generate new token option, and it is going to be looking something like this in this screenshot, as you can see in this official guide. So once you copy this API key, you're going to be needing to go back to Hostinger, and there you're going to be simply making a connection between n8n and Hostinger, and just like that you can update it according to your n8n. So both of your platforms are going to be merged and updated as well, and that is it. Make sure to subscribe to our channel, and see you guys around in the next video.